Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna. Today's gonna be an updated hair routine video, and I upload videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so check out my channel on those days. But today's gonna be my updated hair routine because my routine has gone back to simplicity and it's not as extensive as it was in my other video. Even though that video was pretty simple, this one's even simpler, so I thought you guys would benefit from my updated hair routine. So just keep on watching to see my hair routine and the details about it. So as you guys can see, I have washed my hair. Oh my god, there. I have washed my hair, and I wash my hair once a week. It doesn't really matter on the day, it just depends on my mood. I used to wash my hair like every Sunday, but that doesn't really matter. That's like not relevant to me. I just wash it once a week. So I wash my hair once a week, and these are the two products I use to wash my hair. As you guys can see, I love these products because they are the big bottles. But as my shampoo, I use the No Poo from DevaCurl, and it's the original one. I also use the colored treated one as well. And this one is zero lathering. It has no sulfate, paraben, or silicone, a clean shampoo, and it's minty. So for the fact that it doesn't lather, it's minty, so I still feel like my hair is getting clean, like the psychological part. And also, I know my hair is getting clean because I wear gel when I wear my hair in a bun, and that could build up, and this really takes out all the product from your hair. And it also controls dandruff because my scalp is extremely dry. So in the winter, I do get dandruff, and this helps it a lot. So I don't have to use like Head and Shoulders or anything like that. So this is the OG. I've been using this for so long. I love it. And this cost me $29, but it could go up to $40 this size. And this size is a 32 fluid ounce one. It just depends where you get it. I got this one at a beauty supply store, so it was cheaper. But if you were to get it like at Target or on their website, I'm pretty sure it's $40. Because I paid up to $40 before. As for the conditioner, I use this one, which is the Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Conditioner by OGX. And I love this conditioner. I've tried other conditioners, as you can imagine, but this one is always a staple because I just love how creamy it is, and it hydrates my hair, not just for when I'm like detangling it, but also like for the days that I'm obviously not washing my hair, because I wash my hair once a week. It's really good. It's affordable. I think this big bottle costs $20. I think it was $20. The smaller bottle, which is like half of this, is $10. You get this at any drugstore. You can get this at any drugstore. I got this one at Costco actually. They sell this big bottle at Costco, but they also sell it at Target, in Harmon's, in a few places they have this one. Then into the products that I actually style my hair with. Okay, so let me break it down. So basically, I wash my hair in the shower, and I wash my hair 3 times. Like, I shampoo it 3 times, and then I condition it 1 time, but I let my conditioner sit in my hair. So I detangle my hair, and I let my conditioner sit in my hair for 5 to 10 minutes while I'm showering the rest of my body, and that just helps me lock in moisture. I wash that out, and in the shower I put on this I think it's called a turbo something, whatever. I put this towel on my hair in the shower, and it doesn't get wet or anything. Yeah, I face away from the shower head, I put the turbo on, I wash the rest of my body, do whatever I have to do, then I get out the shower. I've had on this turbo for about like 20 minutes because I have to like lotion my body and whatever, you know, what you usually do, get dressed. And now it's time to style my hair, and these are the 2 products I use. Oh wait, you can't see the name. Let's see, is it gonna focus? Perfect. So I use the Ouai hair oil, and I really like this oil. It's really hydrating. It lasted my hair all week. But if you want an affordable version from this same brand, Organics, get the Argan one, the Argan oil, and that one is like comparable to this. But I like this one because it's a little bit thinner, so it's a little bit easy to work with. But the Organics one is a good option. So let's take this off. Oh my god. This is how my hair looks when I take it out. Oh, let me tell you guys the name of this. It's called a turbie twist. This is how the name looks. And I have so many of these, and I get mine at Bed Bath & Beyond or Harmon's. That's where I get my turbie twist. I've been using these for forever, but you could also use a t-shirt or a towel to dry your hair. But I like these because of the cloth. It's not like, it doesn't pull on my hair, and it doesn't dry it out. As you guys can tell, it's damp still. And I also want to say, when I wrap my hair with the turbie twist, my hair is soaking wet, and that is a key for my hair to look defined when I'm styling it and for it to last longer. So when I use these two products, it lasts about 4 days out, 3 to 4 days, depending on like the weather and stuff. And then for the 2 other days, I put my hair up, or sometimes I just wash my hair and I put it up automatically, because as my hair is getting longer, I don't know, I just like to put it up more often, which is weird. But anyways, so I use the hair oil from Ouai, and I use one huge pump, which is like, oh wait, can you guys see? You guys can't see, but it's like a lot. I use like 1 to 2 pumps, and I just split my hair into 2, and I just run the product through my hair. And this helps with moisture, with frizz kind of, but the reason I use oil is mostly to keep my hair moisturized. And it's really quick. This takes me about 5 minutes to get my hair styled, and then I'm out the door. I'm telling you guys, I'm not really that much of a hair person, so I found what works, and that's it. And I've been sticking to this for a while now. My last video, I was using different products, and I think I explained why, but I've been using this for years already, which is the As I Am Curling Jelly, and I love this stuff. This is like the best thing for my hair. This is how, oh my god, I almost fell. Could you guys see it? There we go. It's like a jelly, as you guys can see. And okay, so if your hair works better with creams, your hair is probably not similar to my hair type, because if I use creams in my hair gets like stuck together and like really sticky, and it's oily. But my sister, creams are amazing. Those are like her best friends. So maybe she'll do a video on her curly hair routine, and her channel is Sofrito con Chile, and that's with her boyfriend as well. It's a couple channel if you guys want to check it out. So her hair likes cream products. My hair doesn't. My hair likes more jelly products and like thin products, nothing too heavy. So as you guys can see, my hair is already drying up. So let's just use, whoa, oh my god, some of the jelly. And I usually do this over the sink, and I'm standing up, but this should have the same effect. And this jelly kind of re-wets your hair in a way, like that's the best way I could explain it. And this really controls the frizz. And I dip into the container a few times until all of my hair looks like I just re-wet the whole thing over, and I don't see any frizzy parts. Because the matter of it is, it's like if you have frizzy parts when your hair is wet, when it dries, it's just gonna be even more frizzy. And if you guys can tell, I sandwich my curls in. I don't rake, well, I kind of rake in the front, but I don't rake through my whole hair, or else all my curls are gonna get separated, and my hair is gonna have the extreme volume, which I'm not into. But if you are, you guys could rake through your hair and it gives you that extreme volume look. So yeah, basically just, this is another way to smooth out your curls. You just go like this. And for my front baby pieces, I like kind of swoop them, comb them, I don't know. So they're kind of laid, but not really. And then I would have like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but this piece of my hair is still frizzy, or I could tell that it will be frizzy. So you just add product to where you need it. And make sure you get the bottom part of your hair too, because you don't want that to get really puffy and then your hair is going to look like uneven and stuff. So I'm going to speed up this part. flip my head over and I put product all here. And I just do this to make sure everything is sealed and I got everything evenly coated. Make sure to get those edges. I let my hair air dry. I never diffuse it or sit under a dryer to dry it, and I feel like that's the best way that my curls look, is when I air dry. So my hair air dries. It takes about 1 hour to 2 hours to air dry, whether I'm inside or outside. I try not to be like in the wind and stuff because that could cause frizz, but obviously like if you have to go out, you have to go out. So that's why I like doing this routine mostly at night. I do this like, say I go to bed that night at 12, I'll do my hair at like 8, and by 10 or 11 it's dry already. By 11 it's like everything is dry. So yeah, that's like basically how I do my hair. And I just wanted to show you how I sleep with my hair, because I used to have that question as well, like how do other people with curly hair like sleep and then they wake up and their hair is like nice or whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys. So every night I put a pineapple at the top of my head. I'll probably show you guys this tonight actually, and like get over my like thing with it, I don't know. But anyways, I use this scrunchie, which is a thick band scrunchie, and it doesn't dent your hair or anything like that. And over time this scrunchie gets wider and wider and wider, which is good because your hair doesn't get the crease. And if your hair does get the crease, you just refresh it in the morning with water. But I sleep with a bonnet, which is this, and it's a silk bonnet. So you guys get this at any beauty supply store. They have so many silk bonnets. You can also get them like on Amazon. And this one, I love it because if you guys see, it's like pretty big. But girl, when my hair dries, I have a lot of hair, but my hair strands are thin, but I have a lot of them. So my hair gets like really voluminous, like it's a lot of volume. So I flip my head over and I put the scrunchie, and then I just put on my silk bonnet, and my hair is contained in there all night, and I go to sleep. The bonnet stays on, it doesn't come off or anything like that. But I do have another bonnet actually. This is another bonnet, I guess if you're more of like a wild sleeper. This is a silk bonnet too, but you could tie it. So if you move around a lot in your sleep, or you think that it's gonna come off at night, you could just use this one. But this one, I just put it over my earlobe, so it's like over. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. I'll do the demo. It just goes over my earlobe, and then I go to bed. And my pillowcases are silk as well. I barely use cotton pillowcases anymore unless my silk ones are dirty. But I love silk pillowcases because I only wear a bonnet when my hair is gonna be out. So I only wear a bonnet like 3 times a week, and the other days I don't wear a bonnet. But silk helps your hair like not break. It also helps with your skin. So it has like so many benefits, silk pillowcases, so I use those as well. But yeah, this is basically how my hair is, and I'll show you guys how my hair looks when it's dried. I'll show you guys how I put on the bonnet, and then I'll show you guys my hair tomorrow, because today my hair is going to pretty much stay like this. It's going to pretty much be flat, and then tomorrow I'll have a little more volume. As the days go on, my hair has more volume. So guys, today is the next day, and this is how my hair looks after I take it out of the bonnet. And I spritz it with a little bit of water, and this is my water sprayer. Usually what I do is I just take it out the bonnet and I spritz in the front area, and then everything just falls down. My hair doesn't get like stuck in the pineapple, it just falls naturally, and then I just spritz it to get like the front pieces to lay flat, and that's about it. That's all I do in the morning. I was gonna show you guys, but my backdrop is like velvet, so I didn't want to like start spraying everywhere and then it's gonna stain the backdrop. But in the future you guys probably will see it. But it's really simple. Like my hair is literally in the pineapple. I take it out, pull the scrunchie out, my hair falls down, and then I just spray like where my part is and in the front to have everything lay and be, you know, looking like I combed it. And then this is how my hair looks the next day. So I hope you guys enjoy this quick little video. It's like how I style my hair / my routine. I hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to comment. I don't know why I always say comic. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys viewing my videos and commenting and being interactive with me. And yeah, so just check out my next video. Remember my schedule: Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, and maybe I'll just put extra videos out this week. Maybe not. At least once a week. Sometimes I do twice a week, but most times I wash my hair once a week. So once a week. How many times am I gonna say once a week? Okay.